Hey you, what's up? You want to know how to make that beer mac and cheese? Well, let's wait no longer because the water is boiling. Let's go.
Now to get started, go ahead and dump your macaroni in a pot so it can be cooking while we make our beer cheese. You might want to add a little salt to your water. Up next are the ingredients we're going to use. You can use a beer of your choice and a cheese of your choice. But this here is the star of the show, your sodium citrate. And I'll show you how much you need of each. Well, this is the way I like it as a dip. But I'm doing this for macaroni, so I may be adding more cheese later. But we're going to get the base of it going. Now, I'm going to use about 100 grams of cheese. Next, you want to use about 2% sodium citrate versus the amount of cheese you got. So I got about 100 grams of cheese. 2% of that would be about 2 grams of sodium citrate. Now, when it comes to your beer, you want to use about half the weight in beer versus your cheese, or a third of the weight, depending on how runny you want your cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with about 50 grams of beer because I got 100 grams of cheese, but I know I'm going to add more cheese to my mac later. And that's because I like mine thick and creamy. Go ahead and add your sodium citrate to your beer. Let that dissolve. Our mac is done cooking, so we're going to go ahead and add our beer to our mac. Let it get nice and warm. Add cheese and let's start mixing, baby, until we get that consistency that we're looking for. And like I said, you will be seeing me add more cheese to this because this is not just a dip. This is my macaroni. Beer cheese macaroni. And if you're still here, I do apologize for my hand being in the way. I am right-handed and I don't have a cameraman, so
My camera is sitting on a tripod, and I want you to see this product in the making so you can see it thicken up and get cheesier. Now, this part, folks, this is all by sight and to your liking. You make this as thick as you like your mac and cheese to be. I'm gonna get ready to add more cheese here. More cheese, please.
the main thing here is just keep on mixing until all the cheese is melted.
I promise you guys, you're gonna like this one.
All right, time for more cheese. Told you I was gonna do it. I still probably add some more later.
I mean, just look at this, folks. If your mac and cheese don't look like that, it ain't mac and cheese, baby. I tell you, I put the cheese in some mac. Messing with me should have been cheesy mac, but okay, it's already got a name, right? Just a little bit more to go, folks, until my cheese is all melted. And then we're gonna add a seasoning that I like. You can add whatever seasoning you like to your cheese. Just a little salt for flavor. even though the cheese has flavor, but it don't quite got that saltiness kick that I'm looking for. This what I'm gonna hit mine with, some chili lime, and it's just gonna bring this thing all the way to life. You know what I'm saying? Bam. Look here, folks. Look at that. I'm the chef. I won't lick the spoon, but I will. Boy. I will taste my finger. All right, now the mac and cheese and beer cheese is all through. Look at that. Look at that cheese. It's all through, folks. It's ready to be served. Here we are. Let me shine some light on this baby. Look at that, folks. Cheese running all through this puppy. Thank you guys for watching. I'm about to dig in. Bon appetit.